Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving Find My the best chance to show a stable position. Enable location services and grant Find My precise location. This improves GPS accuracy. Make sure Share My Location and Find My Network are signed into your Apple ID so the device reports reliably. Set date and time to automatic and keep Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on. These help the phone triangulate and hold a steady fix. Once done, place the iPhone where you want the location to remain. Now you stabilize the reading. Turn off low power mode and allow background activity so the GPS continues reporting. Keep the iPhone stationary on a nonmetal surface and plugged into power if possible. Movement and interference cause jumps. Update iOS to get the latest location fixes and calibrate the compass by waving in a figure 8 if the arrow drifts. Make sure precise location is enabled for Find My so small shifts aren't rounded away. This keeps the pinpoint steady. Finish by confirming Find My status. Verify the device shows online and shares location. If you need the location to remain available after loss, use Mark as Lost to lock the device and preserve last known position. If the pin still jumps, toggle location services, restart the phone, and reset network settings to clear glitches. Also inspect cases or magnets that disrupt sensors. Moving the device a few feet or using an external GPS accessory can eliminate persistent drift. If nothing works, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.